Hello everyone, you are all welcome to lecture number 1332, and today's topic is very interesting. It is about Iran's plasma weapons, and it is new era of weapon with the help of plasma technology. We are aware of the conflict of Iran and Israel. Just a few days ago, and there was mass destruction from both sides. One side was having the power of, that is, fighter jet, and the other side, Iran, was having lot of different type of missiles, that is supersonic, hypersonic, ballistic missiles. And what superiority the Israelis were having, they could not sustain, because they had the impression that what carpet bombing they will do, Iran cannot match to their power. But at the same time, it was surprising to whole world of Iran's latest missile technology, and where lot of interceptors of Israel, what confidence they had that they can intercept, but they failed. Now today again, there is lot of news coming globally that Iran is capable of developing plasma weapons. When I say plasma weapon, is a very new term, and many people don't understand the meaning of this plasma weapon. Plasma weapon is more dangerous than nuclear weapon, and my 3 lectures are there, because in the year 2025, the superpowers like America, Russia and China, their scientists are involved in developing plasma weapons. And here, at the same time, Iran is not left behind. Iran is the only Muslim country in Middle East or globally that it has advanced a lot in plasma weaponry technology, and in Iranian institutions they have advanced subjects in, that is, plasma chemistry and plasma physics. It is introduced, and the scientists, they are using this method. So my lectures are, those who are interested, they can go for my lecture. It starts from 1309, 1310 and 1311. These lectures are about the formation of plasma, what is plasma chemistry, and how it is converted into technology. So I'm just going to give you brief. On this earth, we have 3 states of matter. One is solid, other one is liquid, and third one is gaseous form. Solid means the substance which is having definite volume and definite shape, while liquid is having definite volume but no shape, and gaseous state is neither having definite shape nor definite volume. And how these states are formed, for example, if we take water at 0 degree centigrade temperature, water is solid, but you supply some energy, then water will be changed into liquid form. Again, if you supply some more energy, once it will gain more energy, it will be converted into vapor, gaseous form. And that is the third state of matter. But again, if you go on supplying more and more energy to gaseous state, those gaseous molecules will be converted into ions. That is called ionization energy. in the form of iron, and that ionized gaseous form contains huge amount of energy, and that is called fourth state of matter, that is plasma state of matter. So first we have to create the plasma state of matter by supplying huge amount of energy, and once they are in the form of ionized. So here in these three lectures you will get lot of information, and if this plasma physics and plasma chemistry is not introduced in the departments, it is my humble request and recommendation, those students who are doing their graduation either in chemistry or physics, please watch these lectures so that they can get lot of information and at least basic concept to understand what is plasma technology, what is plasma chemistry, what is plasma physics, so that in future, because future, weaponry is going to be combined with plasma, high energy state, fourth state of matter, plus software and artificial intelligence for precise attack. And now that era of gunpowder and also use of lot of huge material, chemical material, explosives will be over. Only it will be electromagnetic radiation frequencies, very precise attack will be there, and it will change the dynamic of whole world warfare. No more refueling and fueling and going with fighter jet, and they are all in the space, they are jammed. Nothing will happen. And secondly, collateral damage will be less in this case. If suppose you are targeting very specific area, place, you can do. And it is without any sound, without any explosion, nothing. Just you concentrated form of ionized high energy beam, just send it and your work is done. And nowadays, according to some latest publications, the three type of plasma weaponries are already developed. The first is that is called plasma projectile weapon. In that plasma projectile weapon means they have developed such type of a concentrated frequency of plasma state that it can target and it can destroy and disintegrate all the material, military equipments. The second one, that is called plasma disruptive field weapon, where this plasma state of weapon can destroy completely all the military electronics anywhere, in space or on ground. And third one is, which is very much lethal and dangerous, that is called plasma thermal weapon. This plasma thermal weapon is so energetic that once it is targeted, even your object will be melted or even it can be vaporized. So these three plasma weapons are already ready for use, but still America, Russia and China, they are not capable of delivering for military purpose. And this other name of in that field is Iran. Don't underestimate, don't undermine Iran. Iran's scientists in their lab, they are working day night. It's not like that I am always telling to our Indian population, the youth, please don't go and jump on road in front of religious places, crowd, politician, all rubbish. Go and jump inside the labs, research lab, with new technologies. artificial intelligence applications, software use, and combined with new technologies like plasma state of matter to produce plasma weapon. And in coming decades, it will be a new type of weapon, a new type of warfare. I am going to show you some of the weapons of plasma. This is very clear picture of plasma beam, or we can say frequency, is hitting the fighter jet in the space, and there is no escape. It cannot escape. Once it comes under the beam of plasma state weapon, it cannot escape. These are under plasma projectile weapon, I have already told you, and they are just like bullet, more powerful than bullet in the form of radiation or in the form of ionized gas plasma state, and they are so energetic they can penetrate to any object and can destroy and damage. I call it plasma gun, just like gun, and here it is capable of producing the plasma beam, and it can shoot that electromagnetic frequency will reach to a wide range, and it can destroy and damage any object, any military equipment. It is huge plasma disruptive weapon, and that beam, white color, is very, very powerful. It can destroy and damage all the electronic equipment, all the military weapons in metallic or in any form. Once it comes under this plasma beam attack by, that is called plasma disruptive weapon. Yeah, these are very, very dangerous, just like pistol or gun type, and which are capable of producing plasma beam, ionized gaseous form, and it is so, I can say, concentrated form that once it is falling on any object, that object will be immediately melted, or even it can be vaporized. It's a very, very dangerous, that is called plasma thermal weapon. So here I have given in writing the summary of plasma weapon. Number one, Iran's development of plasma weapons is a topic of interest globally nowadays. Iran has made a significant advancement in plasma chemistry and plasma physics, and nowadays in their universities they are giving lot of importance on this plasma state of a matter, that is fourth state, with high energy and which can be converted into plasma weapon that is more dangerous, more silent, without fire, without blood, can destroy the whole city and whole military instruments, physics. And now Iran, according to 2020 report, is having 16th position in plasma technology globally. Iran is the first among Muslim countries to develop plasma technology for weapons. Number two, plasma weapons utilize ionized gas. Ionized gas, I have already told you, is better those who are interested in deep plasma chemistry, plasma state, then they can watch my these 3 lectures. Go to YouTube, just write lecture number 1309 by Professor Ajit Khan, again lecture number 1310 by Professor Ajit Khan, and 1311 by Professor Ajit Khan. You will get lot of detail about the plasma chemistry and high energy fourth state of matter. So ionized gas to generate energy which can be used for various military applications. Regarding the future of warfare, it is possible that plasma weapons combined with artificial intelligence and software could play a very significant role. Plasma weapons could potentially offer more precise targeting capabilities and reducing collateral damage. You can just hit pinpointed target or person or object, anything, rather than destroying so many things. That's why it is very, very dangerous and important. Now, it can allow longer range attack, changing the dynamics of war, modern warfare. Number 3, the integration of plasma weapons with artificial intelligence and software could enable tactics and strategies. High energy plasma state weapons are very dangerous. Here, no need of high, that is fighter jets, or no need of super or ultra sonic or hypersonic missiles. Only invisible frequencies in the air can cause massive destruction. Number 4, in recent days, Iranian media and news outlets have been buzzed with the controversial claim made by Pentagon USA spokesperson regarding plasma weapon test in Iran. The Pentagon spokesperson recently mentioned that Iran is successful in the development of plasma weapons, and Iran has tested. So far, there are almost, we can say, 10 countries. They have lot of use of plasma technologies, but that is for high energy purpose. But to convert into weapons, only 3 countries are doing the research. First, America, second, Russia, and third, China, and fourth one is Iran. That is what, according to global network, news, mass media. So, state in the Iran visible plasma, the fourth state of matter consisting of ionized gas at extremely high temperature. The new plasma weapons can be used in 3 forms. So here the 3 plasma weapons are mentioned. Number 1, that is here number 5, plasma projectile weapons. And plasma projectile weapons are capable of hitting military targets and can inflict huge destruction to military equipments. The next one, that is plasma disruptive field weapons. This weapon is electromagnetic concentrated beam that can burn all the military electronic equipment over large area. Number 7, plasma thermal weapons is a very dangerous one. It is a type of plasma based new technology that can melt and vaporize objects. Number 8, so far advanced countries like America, Russia, and China have not reached to the stage of military, operational, and development of plasma weapons because of its control and stability. The plasma in its very high energy state, that is ionized gases, is very much unstable and it is very difficult to control. Number 9, world know Iran holds significant position in the field of plasma technology, because in Iran they have introduced in lot of institutions the research labs and lot of technologies which are related to plasma weaponry. So they are doing lot of research work and their scientists are involved. As we know, today's advances of Iran's advancement missiles technology in Iran, we know that how advanced Iran is in its missile technology today. So we should not underestimate and undermine the Iran's plasma weapons. And here, in future, Iran's military power will, with new plasma technology weapons combined with artificial intelligence and software, should not be underestimated. And we know the large portion of Iran deep underground, protected by huge mountains. Its defensive capabilities remains undisclosed. Iran, lot of forces they attacked Iran, but Iran is having very strategic geographical condition. It has huge mountains and they have deep underground operations and lot of activities where it is almost, we can say, impossible to reach, and that is the biggest advantage for their military weapons and to develop new type of plasma weapons. And of course the world is watching, and I have already mentioned you that Pentagon USA, they are doubting that already Iran is capable of using plasma weapon because Iran has already tested. So with this I will stop. Thank you very much for watching the lecture.